ServiceNow and Microsoft have teamed up to simplify work for everyone by making self-service solutions easily accessible and convenient. How? ServiceNow's Virtual Agent integration with Microsoft Teams allows users to help themselves. By providing an automated and frictionless experience, users can get the answers they need quickly, all within the Microsoft Teams app. Users participate in an engaging self-service experience with natural language understanding. They can help themselves to open an IT ticket, check on its status, or update it, search a knowledge base for answers, order work-from-home equipment, and attempt to resolve issues such as VPN or printer problems. Let's follow an employee's experience as they try to resolve an issue from within Microsoft Teams using ServiceNow's Virtual Agent. Chatting with a virtual agent is like chatting with a coworker. Open Chat and then choose Virtual Agent. This employee is having trouble with VPN, so he will type his question in the Now Virtual Agent chat window. Since this is a common problem, ServiceNow Virtual Agent already has a topic built for it with basic troubleshooting questions. The employee will answer the pre-built prompts and questions in order to try to solve the problem. If the troubleshooting doesn't work, the employee alerts the virtual agent, who then offers up knowledge-based articles to access to see if they can solve their issue. Knowledge-based search is available for any issue a user is facing and will provide additional options to try before transferring to a live agent. Since the articles provided still haven't solved the employee's problems, ServiceNow Virtual Agent offers to open a help desk ticket for him to record the incident. The VPN access issue is time-sensitive, so the employee can ask the virtual agent to escalate the ticket. Once the system finds the ticket, the employee can click Escalate and provide justification for the request. The virtual agent then confirms the escalation and level. The employee can now view the comments added into the ServiceNow system. ServiceNow Virtual Agent and Microsoft Teams gives you the support you need when you need it from anywhere. And it's easy. You can automatically link your ServiceNow user account to Microsoft Teams. Learn how today. We're simplifying work for everyone and helping you make your world of work better.